Hey guys, it's Cher, and today I wanted to show you how I made these 3 really simple and easy DIY thumbtack decorations using only a few things that I picked up from the dollar store. I'll be showing you how I just used some gold and silver push pins / thumbtacks to make these decorative vase and bowl fillers, these monogram wall decor canvases, and these really cute designs on some basic plain white candles. Like I said, I bought all of these at my local dollar store, so they're really cheap and easy to make, just like all my other DIY projects really. But I did think that they turned out pretty cool, and I wanted to show you guys how I made them, just in case you see one of the designs that you like and maybe you want to try to recreate for your own house. All you're going to need are a package of styrofoam circular ball shapes. I don't know what else to call them other than that, but you can usually find them in the same section that you find like the fake flowers at, like the different foam shapes that you can use to create bouquets with. Those, you can find them in that section. Some cheap canvases, small basic white candles, which I also ended up finding some marble design candles, which I really liked, so I picked a few of those up too. And last but not least, a lot of thumbtacks. And I mean a lot. I bought both gold and silver to have a variety of them to use to decorate with. Before we get started, if you guys do end up liking any of these 3 DIY thumbtack decor ideas, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up after you're done watching it, and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't done that yet. Also, click the little notification bell so you know exactly when I upload new DIY videos. You can follow me on all of my social media accounts. My Facebook and Instagram will also be linked in the description box if you want to find me on either of those, as well as an entire playlist of all of the DIY crafts and projects that I've done on this channel in the past. Also, this is completely off topic for this video, but I just got the new Game of Thrones eyeshadow palette, and I just got done filming one of the first eye looks that I've tried with it. This eye look right here. So depending on which of these videos goes up first, then I will put that right here for you to click on, and also link it in the description box down below. If you like Game of Thrones, or you like makeup, or you like watching people try out new makeup, or all 3. Other than that, if you want to see how I made any of these 3 easy DIY thumbtack decorations, then let's get into the video. The first decoration idea is using thumbtacks and styrofoam circular shapes to make these decorative balls. I don't know what else to call them. I've seen these called vase fillers too, and I even use them as decorations to fill an old antique bowl I had lying around. So all you need are some gold or silver thumbtacks and a package of styrofoam globe shapes, both of which you can find at the dollar store, like I said earlier. Then all I did was take the thumbtacks and push them in everywhere on the styrofoam globes. It makes a really cool effect. I really like how both the silver and gold look, and think it's a good decoration idea to fill vases, bowls, or anything else you have around your house that you want to add a little bit of decoration to. The next project is using thumbtacks to create these cool looking wall decor monogram canvases. I spent a few dollars on some cheap canvases, pencil traced some letters on them. I used mine and my fiance's first name initials, and then covered those tracings with the push pins / thumbtacks. I had an extra mini canvas, so I made one with a little heart design too. This is surprisingly a really relaxing project, since it does take quite a while, but it is very easy and looks like it takes more effort than it actually does, honestly. So the last DIY pushpin / thumbtack decor idea is using them to brighten up the look of a few basic white candles. I found these small plain white candles at the dollar store and pushed the gold thumbtacks into them to make them look nicer and like they could possibly have been bought somewhere other than the dollar store. You can use all different shapes of candles for a more varied effect with this. For the first three, I made a single stripe, a polka dot, and a zigzag design for each of the candles. I really liked how the gold thumbtacks looked on the candles I found with the marble design too. For those, I just did 3 different levels of the thumbtacks for each candle. It's just a really simple way to decorate plain candles to make them look cuter and not as boring. And those are all 3 of the decoration ideas using thumbtacks. Once again, make sure you like this video if you liked watching it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!